can fly. However, he can run really, really fast, especially when it's time for dinner. So we're going to say goodbye to Yukon. He can get his snacks backstage. Bye, guys. Bye, Yukon.
Guess what, everybody? We have one more special animal surprise.
Oh, a surprise? What is it?
It's a bird and a friend.
A bird friend.
I know
Yeah,
who it
he's very
is.
tall. He's actually 8 feet 2 inches tall to be exact.
Wait a minute. Is this bird yellow? And does he eat milkshakes?
He sure does.
Do you? Big bird!
How are you?
Did you see all the rescued animals?
Oh, sure. I've been backstage visiting with them. And you know what Wizard and I did?
You remember